up. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, mommy. Come on.
I don't know why you're faking now. You like the way I shake it down. So all you fellas come around and watch our mommy shake it down. I don't know why you're faking now. You like the way I shake it down. So all you fellas come around and watch our mommy shake it down.
Show mommy how you be shaking it down. Throw it around like you got the fattest ass in town.
Just keep popping it, don't break it, just shake it. Put your back into it, don't take it, just take it.
From the front to the floor, to the back of the door. Raise your hands if you're short and holler, we want more.
Now throw that thing, make it swing. Damn, it's a shame how you make them hips go bang, dang a dang a dang.
Make you wobble, model tight Coke bottle. While you shaking that thing, put it in full throttle.
Make him swallow, never blink, because he's the link to the bar. Remy straight, what's up, star?
I don't know why you're faking now.
From the front to the back of the club.
So all you fellas come around.
You know the divas, we be doing it up.
I don't know why you're faking now. You like the way I shake it down. So all you fellas come around.
Cause it's cash flow, so ready long enough.
In the club, shaking my shimmy. All the boys going crazy just to grabbing the jimmies.
You know it's in me that make the crowd wanna gimme, just gimme. Tipsy off the demi and I'm feeling just kinda frisky.
Something like I'm off the whiskey, but I ain't gon' smoke too much herb, cause my jaw might piss me.
Where they do that at, then they'll miss me. We too fly and nifty, divas got the whole club misty.
But it feels kinda risky. Size them up on the dance floor and show them how we get busy.
Cause we twerking and working, players loving our pink and black skirt. And thought we was mediocre, pulling your shirt.
Never mistake us, got more fans than the Lakers. You know DRD ain't never been known for faking.
But we keep your head aching, money making, back breaking, and now we got your ass shaking.